When you create a sales order, you can use the customer full text search to help you find the customer that you want. The sales order full text search uses the same setup as the customer full text search in the customer service form. You can also do a search on the item. Let's open up AX and I'll show you how to do this. I'm here in Sales and Marketing, and underneath Common, I'm going to open up the All Sales Orders form. When you create a new sales order, the Create Sales Order form will open. At the very top of the form, you will notice the search field. By default, the search by will be set to keyword. This is what enables the full text search. I'll do a search for customers that have the word wholesale in their name. I type in the word and press Enter. The customer search form opens and shows me all of the results that match for my search. If I wanted to narrow it down further, I could type in some additional information, such as cave, and then press Enter again, and it will narrow it down. Now that I have found the exact record that I want, I select it from the list and then click Select Customer. Once you've selected a customer on the order, you can perform another search, and selecting that customer will override the customer that you have chosen. Let's go back to the search form for a second, and I'll show you if you cannot find the customer that you want, you will notice that there is a button here called New Customer, which will launch the New Customer form to create a brand new customer. Or if the customer you've selected doesn't have the correct information, for example, if you were verifying their phone number and address while on the phone with customer, you can use the Edit Customer button to open up the customer form and modify the customer's information. There's also a Send Catalog button, which will allow you to send a catalog to that customer. The last button here is the Merge button. This Merge button is only enabled if a duplicate is found. The duplicate settings must be configured in Organization Administration, and then when a duplicate is detected while you're performing the search, AX will prompt you, or if you find two duplicates, you can select the two records in the list and then click the Merge button. This will merge the two customers' information together and replace the surviving customer number on the other's customer number's account. If you search for the bad customer or the no longer valid customer, it will be replaced with the account number of the new surviving customer's account number. Now that we've selected a customer for our sales order, let me show you how to use the item search on the sales order form. The item number field acts as a search, so instead of typing in or selecting an item number, which I'll show you more how to do later on, I can type in a word. So I'll type in a word such as shirt and press Enter. You'll notice that the item search opens and I can see all the items that have the word shirt somewhere in their name. Keep in mind that AX is only searching for fields that you have specified to search for. If I wanted to add one of these items to the order, I can simply type the quantity and then click Create. Now that the item has been added to my order, I can continue to perform various functions on the order. I want to show you one more example when creating a new sales order. In my last example, I used the keyword search, which allows me to type in any criteria that has been configured in the full text search. If you click the Search By drop-down box, you'll notice several different options. One is for sales order, purchase order, phone number, customer account, email address, check number, RMA number, invoice, and business account. If you select one of these other options, you can type a phone number, for example, into the search field and click Search. These searches will only search in the field that you have selected. No additional configuration is required to use these additional search bys. Only the keyword search requires that full text search be configured to be able to use. Now that we have reviewed the screens that are used for creating and managing orders and using the full text search, let's take a look at some of the parameters that are used to enable the sales order process.